Hello everyone, so it's Paul from PH Exterior Cleaning Services, and today we've got Matthew from Watford, and it's Skyline
Exterior Cleaning.
Right. So Matt's getting into roof cleaning, so today was a training day for Matt, and he's already done a CPD in the Lantra course, so this is sort of adding on to it with hands-on experience, isn't it? Yeah, good. So today you'll notice this roof that we've done. Got here about, well, I told Matt to get here at 7:15. I got here at 7 because I wanted to beat him, and he was already here. Wow, what a worker. If you want to use him, yeah. So if you live in Watford, use Matt. Okay, so anyway, so we've got it all done. You can get a sense of it. Later on, I'll connect this to a little video from the drone so you can see what it looks like from above as well. Okay, all right, thanks for watching.